Hello beautiful and lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is DoliveB. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel I share DIYs, hardware tutorials, business tips and tricks videos. If you're interested in any of this, then please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. On this channel today, we'll be talking about how to use WhatsApp business to communicate with your customers and drive sales effectively. How to use WhatsApp business to communicate with your customers and drive sales effectively. For whatever business you venture into, you need to drive sales, else you won't get customers. I know many of you have this WhatsApp business application, but a lot of you do not know how to use them. Some of you don't even know what WhatsApp business application is, okay? But do not worry, I'm going to take you through the whole process in this video. So if this interests you, keep on watching. Okay, so before I proceed to sharing the tips I have for you today, if you do not have the WhatsApp business app on your phone, go to your store right now. If you're using an Android phone or iPhone, just go to your Google Play Store or your App Store right now and then search for WhatsApp business and download the app right now. I mean right now. Okay, after you're done downloading that, you can come back to continue watching this video. Okay, now the first tip I have for you after downloading or installing your WhatsApp business app is to optimize your WhatsApp page by adding the following information: your opening hours, your products and services, your business policies, and your location if you want to. Okay, for me that I operate virtually, most important information I need is to include my product and services, my business working hours, opening and closing hours, and my business policy. Okay guys, let me quickly show you how to optimize your WhatsApp business page with the necessary information. Open your WhatsApp business app and click on the three dots there and select business tool. So you click on business profile, you have manage address, hours and website. So just click on that and you can see my profile picture here. You can add an image that will serve as a profile picture. Then you put the information you can see on the screen, the business information. I have my name there as DoliveB Crafties. Then the category I have apparel and then clothing. You can choose the category that belongs to what your business offer, and you have the description, impute the details about your business. Okay, then you add your location. For me, I put Lagos because I operate virtually. I don't have a physical address that I operate from. Then I have my working hours: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So you just put the details according to how you want it. I have my email address and my website. The next step is for you to create a catalog. Okay, before you create a catalog for your WhatsApp business, you need to have good pictures of your product or your services. Okay, you need to have good pictures of your product and your services. Literally means that you need to have this photography skill. If you do not have that yet, that's if you're unable to hire a photographer or have someone to assist you in that area, you want to do that yourself, you can actually do that yourself. You can take a course in smartphone photography. I have the details in the description box below. The description box of this video is just down this video. Okay, just look down this video, you see the description box. So now to update your catalog, go to your WhatsApp business and open the business tools. Click on the catalog. You have show products and services. Just click on that and add new item. Okay, and then add an image or images. You could have more than one images added. It takes you to your gallery, or you choose a camera if you want to just snap or take a picture of what you want to add. If you're checking through your gallery, just scroll down, and I'm just going to pick this picture for the purpose of this video. You can add more images like I said earlier. So you now include the item name. Like for me, I have turban with ruffles or turban with side ruffles, and I'm also going to put a price, then the description of the products. Okay, this is actually optional but it's always better. Like I have there, this turban was made with Duchess. This turban was made with Duchess fabric and it fits all head sizes. Then if you have a link probably to your website or where they can shop directly from, you can put the link right there. Then you can have the item code. Like for me, I have
Turban DBT001, and I'm going to just save. So you can see the list of items I have in my catalog, and that is how it should be.
The next tip I'm going to be sharing with you is to update your WhatsApp status. Advertise on your WhatsApp status, like seriously, like your life depends on it. Advertise every minute, every hour, every day, every week, just keep advertising on your WhatsApp status. Now the next tip is to create a WhatsApp link so that your customers can reach out to you directly without having to save your number. Okay, then after your discussion with them, you can now push them to save your number. So it's good to have a WhatsApp link you can embed in your post, probably on other social media platforms. So this will enable them to be able to chat with you directly without having to save your phone number on the phone, at least on seeing your post for the first time. Now, to create your own customized WhatsApp business link, open your business tools and scroll down to where you have short link under the reach more customers. Click on that and you have your customized link displayed. Okay, so to copy your link, just click on the share link and copy. Then you can save it somewhere, you can have access to it later. The next tip I'm going to be sharing with you is to create automated welcome messages for your customers. It's called chatbots. Okay, like I'm chatting with you, hello, there should be an auto response probably from a business owner saying, okay, hello, I'll be with you shortly. Now, to create an automated message for yourself, just go to your business tools and under message, you click on greeting message and have it enabled already. But if it's your first time, you have it disabled. So just click on that and enable it. Then you set your greeting message, put whatever message you want to have displayed, and you save. You can as well include your away message. Just click on away message and activate it if it is not activated. Mine is not activated, so I just left it that way. So I can just go ahead and activate it and input what I want to put as my away message. But I prefer to have it disabled for now. You could include your schedule, the recipient who you want this message to be sent to, and all that. Okay, after you're done, you just go ahead and click on save, and that is that. So I hope you found these tips helpful, and if you do, please do not forget to share this video with someone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.